wonder, why does God make a way back after mistakes?
Great question. 1. Leviticus opens with a powerful idea about mistakes and returning to God. 2. It makes us wonder why God did not give up on people when they failed. 3. This story helps us see that forgiveness was part of God's plan from the very beginning.
So, what does that actually mean?
Number 1. Leviticus teaches that God wanted people to fix what was broken, not hide from it. Number 2. Sacrifices were a way to repair trust and restore closeness with God. Number 3. God showed that taking responsibility brings healing, not shame.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, the brain learns safety when mistakes are followed by repair instead of fear. Second, repetition of honest actions builds stronger pathways for trust and self-control. Third, small responsible choices slowly shape a calmer and wiser mind.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1, apologizing and fixing mistakes helps friendships grow stronger. Number 2, families work better when problems are addressed instead of ignored. Number 3, taking responsibility creates fairness and peace in communities.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, faith grows like cleaning a messy room one small section at a time. Second, daily acts of honesty prevent bigger problems later. Third, consistent repair builds strong character over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1, pause and think about one small mistake that needs fixing. Step 2, allow yourself to feel responsibility without feeling ashamed. Step 3, take one simple action today that helps make things right.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. 1. Notice one small mistake you usually avoid dealing with. 2. Choose to repair it calmly and honestly. 3. Reflect on how peace grows when you take responsibility. Remember, Leviticus reminds us that forgiveness leads to growth, not fear. God invites us closer through honesty and responsibility. Small faithful choices help us live in peace with God and others. If this sparked curiosity, leave a comment and share this with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.